Hey everyone, it's your girl Angel, and today we are doing a stationery haul. I didn't buy these all at once, but for some reason I need to pass a lot of things in school, so I bought these, and some of the stuff I literally found inside my cabinet, so they're the forgotten ones, but turns out that I need it for this semester. Okay, so let's start with the pens. Ever since I got this, I've been using it to write on my planner. These are colored pens, and I love that you can read the name up here, and I love that it came with the case, and I also love that it has a Nebula kind of design. So yeah, basically I love everything about this. I haven't tried these yet, but these are pastel colored highlighter pens, and I just noticed now that their tips are like the ones for calligraphy, and I also like that it came with a case, so really handy, really handy. Next, I got watercolor papers, and I bought two because they were always out of stock, and you can actually save more if you buy a watercolor pad, but I can't really pass that to my art teacher, right? So I bought these ones instead. And of course, the paper would be useless without paint. Luckily, I found this inside my cabinet. This is a watercolor set. I can't believe I still have this, and it is good as new. I only opened the color Prussian blue. Along with that, I found these brushes. This is number 4 and number 12 from Best Buy, number 4 from Pentel, number 6 from Ftrna Pure. However, I still bought this number 7 Berkeley brush because I needed a brush with this kind of tip, and I bought this thinking that I don't have any other brushes, but I clearly have 4 here which were just sitting in my cabinet being a sad clutter. Also, I needed to do an artistic portfolio, so I bought this, and I like it because it is made out of recycled paper. So yeah, let's try saving the earth, even if it's just little things like this. Last but not least, it is every student's best friend, correction tape. All make mistakes, nobody's perfect, so just erase it with a correction tape. Okay, so that is a wrap on my stationery haul. All of the prices and where to buy the products are listed down below, so you can check that. Also, if you liked any part of this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!